In today's video, I'll show you how to make a lot of money online by using YouTube without ever having to reveal your face on camera. This is completely free, and all you have to do is follow these steps in this video to begin earning money right away. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. This will ensure that you don't miss any future videos. So come on over and click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that out of the way, let's get started on the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so you read it correctly. We will be using YouTube to earn money today. As some of you may be aware, becoming paid on YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Both of these will be difficult to come by at first. So in this video, I'll show you how to make money from your YouTube videos without having to resort to monetization. And once you've monetized your site, you'll be able to earn a lot of money from both the video advertisements and the site I'll be showing you later. With that said, the type of video you should make for YouTube are these workout videos on this channel called Workout Music. There are various of reasons why we want to do these videos specifically. First and foremost, they will generate views, and more views equals more money. This channel's most popular video has received over 14 million views so far, and it isn't the only video with millions of views. As you can see, these motivational videos are very popular and draw huge audiences. Anyway, the second reason we want to make these videos is that they are incredibly simple to make. These videos are mainly made up of an image and some audio. For example, the most popular video I just showed you with 14 million views is made up entirely of a single image that runs the length of the video. As you can see, finding images like these online is incredibly easy, and I'll show you where to get high quality, royalty-free images as well as where to find the music for your videos. Now, it's worth mentioning that some of these channels' recent videos feature some footage at the start, but the clips in this video last only for 8 minutes. The rest of the video is just a simple image. But if any of you want to include some clips in your YouTube videos, don't worry, I'll teach you where to obtain them as well. With that said, a quick search of socialblade.com for the previously mentioned YouTube channel reveals that this person is doing really well. This channel, according to Social Blade, earns between $1,000 and $17,000 every month. The numbers are usually in the middle, but I don't believe that they are in this case, because if you return to this channel, you'll notice that all of these videos are extremely long, which is crucial because the longer the video, the more adverts you can pack in it, and thus the more money you can make. So in my perspective, those videos are bringing at least $10,000 every month to this channel. And if you upload 10 videos per month, you may do rather well for yourself and earn a lot of money. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me show you how to make those kinds of videos. Let's start with the photos and videos and how to get them. The first site is known as pixabay.com and the second one is called pexels.com. These are both very comparable platforms, but they have one thing in common. You can find royalty-free images and movies that you may download and use without any copyright issues by using them. So it's completely fine to use them on your YouTube videos. And basically, all you have to do is search for workout, fitness, gym, and so on Pexels. And as you can see, there are thousands upon thousands of images that I can use for free and that also look just amazing. This image, for example, is perfect for the types of videos I want to make. And when you find one like these, all you have to do is click on free download here to save it on your computer. You can also click on this little arrow next to the download button to choose the exact resolution you want to save the image in. Anyways, Pexels and Pixabay are both fantastic in order to find royalty-free images. However, if you want to include clips in your videos like the previous channel did at the start, you can see videos in the upper left corner. There are over 7,000 of them relating to fitness alone. All you have to do now is click on videos and you'll be able to find and download the video you want. You'll proceed in the same way as you did with the photo. With that said, I don't suggest downloading the videos since, as you can see, the most popular video from that channel did not have any single clip, only a basic image, so I don't think using clips is actually necessary, but I'll leave that decision up to you. Now that you have your video, it's time for me to show you where you can find the audio, and the YouTube audio library is the perfect one for that purpose. To access it, just click on your YouTube profile and then you want to select YouTube Studio right here. And then on the following page, on the left hand side, scroll down and click on Audio Library, where you can find a large number of songs that you may use on YouTube without any copyright issues, allowing you to monetize your channel and earn money from ad income. In any case, because you're making motivational videos, you'll want to use the filter option to select the right kinds of music. I highly suggest you sort out by genre and mood. For example, you can set the mood to inspirational, and it will now provide songs that you could use in your videos. All you have to do when you discover one you like is hover your mouse over it and click on download right here. The amounts of track in the video is now usually between 7 and 10. You'll be able to make a video that's between 30 and 40 minutes long, which is ideal. Once you downloaded both the photos and the videos, the last thing you need is a video editing software. One of the best that you can also download and use for free is called OpenShot, over at their website openshot.org. And believe me guys, you don't need softwares like Final Cut Pro in order to create these videos, but since I have Final Cut, I will show you using Final Cut Pro just how simple and easy this is to do. Okay, so I am now in Final Cut Pro and uploaded a few songs to use as an example, and also a photo just above them. Let me show you what you need to do. You just want the video to match the audio, so you will need to drag this photo like this until it's the same length as the audio. And that's literally it. This is precisely what you will want to do at OpenShot as well. And as you can see, this only took me 30 seconds or so to do. It's really simple stuff. You don't need any video editing skills whatsoever. In any case, now that you have your video, it's finally time for me to reveal the website that you can use in order to maximize your profits and earn money before you get monetized as well. That site is called kit.co. This website allows you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products, grouped into kits so your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. So this allows you to group various products together. This is really an awesome feature. If you're creating videos related to photography, for example, kit.co allows you to grab a single link where you have grouped all the various products related to photography. That you can leave then in your description and thousands of people will be able to see them. In our case, since we're creating videos related to workout, you can promote various gym products like barbells, for example, and the best part is you can add like 10 to 15 different products instead of just one. And this will allow you to earn far more money. Anyways, you need an account on right here before you can promote anything. So you want to click on sign up in the upper right corner to create one first, then from there, just click on this plus icon and then you will want to search and add various gym products as I have here. You will then need to click on done and they will give you a link that you will leave in the description. And many, if not millions of people will be able to see it. And just think about it. If you have a product that costs $50 and 10 people buying it, means you've already made $500, just like that. So this has enormous potential, as you can see, and once you do get monetized, that will allow you to easily earn thousands upon thousands of dollars passively. And that's it for today's video. As always, if you've liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below. Click on that red subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, and you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.